Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. I'm headed into Walmart to look around and I thought I would invite you guys to come with me. Let's go shopping. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter. I just walked into my Walmart and they have completely flipped this seasonal section from all of their Easter decor and candy to summer entertaining and dishware. So I'm going to just take you all through and we'll take a look at everything. The first thing I can't get my eyes off are these adorable glasses in different shapes, from pineapples in the yellow and pink and blue. They do all have clear straws and this little pineapple part is just a plastic. They also have them in the tiki faces. They're all $2.97, and they have the tiki face in a few different colors. And then they have a toucan, really cute, in pink and in blue. And the cactus. So I love succulents and cacti, and I thought this one in particular was adorable in the green, but they also have it in the pink. They have out so many drink dispensers. So they're really reasonably priced. I think this is the most expensive one I saw for $14.96. They have them in glass and then this galvanized metal version from Better Homes and Gardens. The one catch is it does not come with the base. The base is sold separately for $6.94, and I think it would be a cute little bucket all on its own and a really good price. Here are some more of the glass dispensers. The one thing I will say is that the stoppers on them are not super heavy duty, so you do get what you pay for. And I'm not sure that these would make it through another season. I also found these really adorable little glass mason jar caddies made out of the galvanized metal. And you get 6 of the glasses with the tops and lids. This whole wall is all of these galvanized drink tubs. And as a mom, I look at those and see so many possibilities, from a place to have the kids put their shoes when they come in the door to toy storage, and the price is definitely right. They also have all of these lanterns set up here. Definitely the whole section is dedicated to summer entertaining. I'm pretty sure this is the cutest little ice bucket I've ever seen. Great price, $9.94. They do have the coordinating utensil caddies, also $9.94. And all of this stuff is from the Better Homes and Gardens collection at Walmart. This is a really nice little set of serving caddies, and it comes with little chalkboards around the lids of the jars for you to label what is in each of them. Here is a different type of utensil caddy, and really you could use this for anything in your decor. You could put flowers in it, and it is a really good size for the price. Here are some adorable little salt and pepper shaker holders with a nice wooden base and a pocket in the back for napkins. They have their trays back, and here's the oval version. Now these are quite large. It's hard to show you guys on camera, but I'm just going to put my hand in there so you can see they are really good size for $9.94. And like I told you, there are so many different versions of the drink tubs. I like this one a lot. I like the shape of it. And this is also one of the tubs that you can turn upside down to be a base for 2 of the glass drink dispensers. That one can be used a few different ways, and I really like that about it. Here is a smaller version, and this one is only $7.94. And here is one more drink dispenser. This was over near the dishware, and this one was $17.96, but I feel like they should have put it out with all the summer items because it's a pineapple. Speaking of pineapples, they did put out quite a few dish towels in different prints for summer, from pineapples to toucans and all kinds of bright colors. And I really like this one on the bottom to the right in the teal. They also have all of the placemats in a pretty thin vinyl for $1.47 in all of the colors that you think of when it comes to summer. And right over here are all the coordinating dish towels in the stripes for $1.94. Lots of bright red and orange, yellow, green, and blue. And some buckets. So these are just decor. I'm guessing you could use them in entertaining for putting anything in them, from napkins to utensils. They had them in a few different versions, the fish and the pineapple. Now these do have cutouts, so this might be something you want to use a battery operated candle in and turn into a lantern. They also have the flamingo and the ones with the pink bottoms as well as the blue bottoms. And good old-fashioned make your own popsicle sets in a few different versions and colors. Something that is always fun for summer. And I like this one because you can make 6 and they're small. They also have out so many adorable tumblers with cactus and flowers. They do have quite a bit of this fish print. We'll see more here in just a minute. Some of the double-walled insulated cups had handles, and some were just tall tumblers. So you'll see quite a few different ones, and I thought the mermaid in pink was super cute. And of course the flamingos that are so popular. And now let's look at all the tablecloths. So to me, these don't necessarily coordinate with the dishes they put out, but these are definitely their summer prints. And I always like a good Walmart tablecloth because it is so inexpensive here. You can find it in any shape or size, and they're only $4, $3.96. And a few of them do coordinate, like the pineapple and the fish, but some of their polka dots and stuff I didn't quite get. Maybe they just haven't put everything out yet. Here's one with the hibiscus and the toucans. Now we'll look at all of their summer dishes. They have out these little domed plates. They're made of plastic, but they're only $9.96. Great for keeping bugs off of your food if you're grilling outside. Maybe that polka dot tablecloth actually goes with these bowls. They do come in sets of 3, so you get 3 bowls with 3 lids. Here's the pineapple set. They have it in the cacti. I believe I also saw it in the fish. These are glass bowls with plastic lids. They have chip and dip trays. They're also $9.96 in all the coordinating patterns. And I really like the really heavy melamine dishes they put out in a few different colors. This is a real light teal, and this one almost looks like denim. They also have out the large salad bowls with the tongs. Also a $9.96 item in a few different prints. The dishes they also put out in a real nice cream color. I did not see the plates in this yet, but I did see the bowls. I really do like this print. And some really nice tumblers. So these are plastic. They have them in a 14 ounce and a 20 ounce. And they look like they're that glass version with the bubbles between the glass, but they're not breakable. So I like that about them. They have them in the cobalt and in the teal. And speaking of not breakable, they have these back. I remember them from last year. They're a really great deal if you have kids. You get 4 of the trays, 4 of the plates, 4 of the bowls, 4 of the cups, and the silverware for $5. They also have out all of the plastic dishes you could want, including serving trays, in almost every color under the sun. These are not heavy duty at all, but would be great for 1 season, maybe 2 if you take good care of them. I found these really cute ice molds in the pineapples in pink and yellow, and the fish in a pink and in a blue, and those were only 98 cents. They also have out some really fun beach towels. So these are really big, round beach towels in watermelon, pizza, my personal favorite, the donut with sprinkles, and the hamburger. I was hoping they would have a hot dog or a taco because I have a child that would love that. No such luck yet. Now on an end cap, they're setting out all of these fun cups. These are probably geared more for kids, but they're all really cute and have these adorable little plastic pineapple tops on them. Really cute design. None of this had any prices posted. I'm pretty sure they just unpacked all this. And they do have a Mama Jamma 64 ounce plastic tumbler, and they have it in a few different colors, shaped like a pineapple. And that would be a really cute little birthday present if you put it with a beach towel or something like that. And speaking of beach towels, they're definitely putting them out. I don't remember this flip-flop version from last year. I think that one is new in the red. And this ice cream cone is new. It's on an orange backing, and I wish they had done a pink or blue. I also really like this blue and red one. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little shop with me at Walmart, looking at all their summer goodies, and I'll see you all soon in the next one.